Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have Indian girls thumbnails for YouTubers. Here is 81 files in high definition. You can use anywhere in videos or in thumbnail. Just you increase or downsize. So first I show you some files. Here's wow, you write anything you okay. So I drag this file on Photoshop. You write anything here. For example, I write a cute. How can I forget you? Okay. You write any your title name. I tell you just for example. Okay. Write your anything. I tell you just for example. You can increase the size. Here is 1080. This file for thumbnails. Okay, I close this file and open another file. Get free. Here anything you write your title, stop or etc. you can write. Here is wow. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.